One of the common tool almost in every project that you will be using is erase. And with erase, there's another tool comes, it's called oops. If you erase something accidentally and then you decide that that was a mistake, you have two choices. Usually undo, that would work. Also oops. And now what's the difference between these two? We just look into that and explore the differences between oops and undo, and also see how erase works in AutoCAD. So to access erase, you can simply type from the keyboard, like in any other commands in AutoCAD. You can always type from the keyboard. The shortcut for that is E, or you can just spell the whole thing as you type on the keyboard. And then once you activate that command, this time I'm going to go to the ribbon and select this eraser tool, which looks like a pencil here, and then select any of the items that you want to erase. Suppose I'm going to erase this circle here, and I'm going to also erase one of these lines in this polygon or trapezoid here. Okay, so these two items, as you see, is great, and I'm going to erase those. It's waiting for me to take some action by pressing Enter key from the keyboard, and those are erased. Okay, now suppose I made a mistake. I want to bring this one back. I just type oops from the keyboard, and that brings back both of them. Okay, now how about undo? The undo cancels every last operations, including the what I did in the oops. So that would be last operation. In this case, I just type U for shortcut for undo. That would cancel. Also, you can select undo tool, which we have here on upper left corner. Okay, so now we need to explore what's the difference between oops and undo. Undo works on almost in every action, not only erase. Suppose I draw a line in this corner here, and then press enter. If I say oops, nothing is going to happen because I have not erased anything that is going to be cancelled. But if I say undo by typing U from the keyboard or selecting basically this tool here we have, that last item, the last line that I drew would be cancelled, as you see here. Okay, so that's the difference between oops and undo. Undo works for every actions, not only the erasing, but oops works only for the last item that has been erased. So again, there are many ways to access the erase tool. One is just type in, another one is to select them from the menu and selecting the items. If you have more than one, just select those items, then press enter key to erase. Also, you can select first and then select this tool, or just type E from the keyboard. That would do the same thing. If you select them first, then you don't need to press enter key from the keyboard. Okay, I hope that helps to using the erase.